Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your never ending, your forever growing to do list? Have you ever experienced a day, a week, a month, a time when you felt really, really busy, yet you don't have much to show for the progress or any progress that you've really made in that time? Have you ever kind of asked yourself that nagging question, why am I not where I want to be? And overwhelm is one of the things that keeps us stuck and prevents us from making that forward moving momentum. So I created a very simple concept that I've been using and sharing with clients for a few years now. And whenever I share it with clients, it's so simple and so effective that they found it so beneficial. And also when I've taught trainings for other people's students or inside other people's membership and coaching programs, I would normally share this, and it goes down really well. So I thought I'd share it with you today. And this is simply a method which I call FOCUS30. And if we were to kind of eliminate the noise, if we were to break down the layers and just focus on one thing for the next 30 days that's going to help you to push through, to gain some traction, some momentum, that's going to move the needle in the right direction for you. If you could choose, if you could select, if you could highlight out of everything, what's the one negotiable that you want to commit to and take action on and take a step towards every day for the next 30 days, what is that one thing that you know will really help you out so that in 30 days time you can look back and celebrate the progress you've made rather than be looking back, wondering, thinking, with an element, an air of regret of, if only I had taken those steps, where would I be? So you're not restricted and limited to doing just one thing every single day, but it's to kind of break through the overwhelm and make things simple, make things easy, and just choose that one thing that you want to commit to for the next 30 days. No right or wrong. It can be in any area of your life, your goals, your well-being. Just if you're feeling like you're running on empty at the moment and you need to look after yourself more, what's the one thing you know that would help you if you just committed to doing it every single day for the next 30 days? Choose it, commit to it, and make it happen. And to help with that, I've also got an acronym for focus, and just to highlight, to reinforce what I've just said. And the first thing is to find, choose, decide. Don't have 10, 20, 30 things that you want to do in the next 30 days. Just find that one thing that will move the needle and select it. And then one step. What is that one step that you can track, that you can tick off, that's measurable for you, that if you were to do it every day for the next 30 days, it will be helping you to get closer to a result, an outcome, a feeling that you want for yourself. And then the C is to get clear. Get clear on what it is that you're going to do, but also get clear on why you're going to do it. Connect to the benefit, the payoff, the positive consequences to you if you were to only do that one small step every single day for the next 30 days. And remember, you're not stuck to just 30 days. At the end of that 30 days, you can carry it on. And then over time, if you were to choose one every single month, for example, then you can stack up some really good positive habits that you can then find yourself probably doing on autopilot. Or it may be that you just review and that one step is no longer required and you choose another one. But the minimum viable commitment is that non-negotiable for the next 30 days. And the U is unstoppable. It's just coming up with something, one small step that isn't going to trip you up, that will create some level of unstoppable momentum. That compounding effects. If you continue to do it day after day, day after day, then it's going to help you create that unstoppable momentum in the right direction. If you pick something that's complicated, then the chances are you are going to get stopped in your tracks. Life will happen, something will come up, and the chances are you'll lose that flow and momentum. So just pick that one thing that will help you to be unstoppable. And then the S is for step. Take the steps every single day that's going to help you to make it happen every day for the next 30 days. So that's the simple Focus 30 method. Pick one thing, make it a non-negotiable, commit to doing it every single day, take the action step, and just really notice what a difference and where you will be in the next 30 days if you were to just simply do that. Most of us get in our own way, simply. and we overcomplicate things. So the idea of this, and you might be hearing it, well, that's a bit easy, that's a bit simple. That's the point. Don't overlook it for its simplicity. Just do it. Just commit to this next 30 days and then review for yourself and see how helpful, how impactful, how useful, and what a positive difference it's made for you. So your challenge, your focus, your action is to pick one thing that you can do for the next 30 days and then go make it happen. So feel free to let me know what's the one thing you're going to choose for the next 30 days. And then when the 30 days is up, let me know how well it's gone for you and what a difference it's made. Any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve.